Today I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Ice Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. You just click on settings. So then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you click on, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to upstairs and here you're looking for Ice Edge app or just click on search. Then here add Ice Edge, it's going to show for you like this here adventures, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click on OK. So then you click on just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for Ice Edge Adventures, it's going to show for you like this. We find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.